In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the host in a Zoom meeting, whether you want to transfer host control during a meeting or designate someone as host before the meeting. Let's dive right into it and explore both scenarios to make sure you're prepared for any situation during your online gatherings. Imagine you're right in the middle of a Zoom meeting, and for whatever reason, you need to pass on the hosting duties to someone else. Here's how you can easily do this. While the meeting is in progress, take a look at your meeting toolbar and click on the Participants option. This action will open up a list of everyone who's currently in your meeting. Now, all you need to do is find the participant you'd like to pass the torch to. If you're on a desktop, simply hover over their name and a More option will pop up. Click on More and then select Make Host from the drop-down menu. For mobile users, the process is quite similar. Just tap on the participant's name and select Make Host. You might see a prompt asking you to confirm this change, and once you do, the baton is passed. That participant will now assume full host responsibilities, giving them the power to manage the meeting controls. And what about the original host? Well, you have the flexibility to leave the meeting entirely, or stick around as a regular participant if you wish. Now let's cover how to set an alternative host before the meeting even begins, allowing you to ensure everything is ready in case you can't attend. This is particularly useful if your schedule is unpredictable or if you're planning a meeting far in advance. To do this, start by signing into Zoom through the web portal. Once you're logged in, navigate to Meetings, where you can either schedule a new meeting or edit an existing one, depending on your needs. During your meeting setup, look out for the Alternative Host field. This section might be tucked under Advanced Options or something similar, so don't miss it. Here, you'll input the email address of the person you want to give this responsibility to. After inputting their email, make sure you save the meeting details. Once this is done, the person you designated will receive a notification, letting them know that they have the reins to start the meeting as the host in your stead, should you not be present when it's time to begin. By understanding these simple steps, you can keep your meeting smooth and uninterrupted, regardless of any changes in your availability. Whether you need to transfer host control during a live meeting or set someone up to start things off before the meeting even begins, you'll be well equipped to manage your Zoom sessions with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hosting.